Most contractors don't struggle with doing the work. They struggle with getting paid on time. And here's the truth no one tells you. The way you send invoices can decide whether you get paid in 2 days or 2 months. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to send invoices as a contractor in 2026, the simple system that makes clients pay faster, and the mistakes that quietly delay your money. Let's get straight into it. First, understand what an invoice really is. It's not just a bill. It's a professional payment request that tells your client what work was done, how much is owed, and how to pay you. Think of it like a handshake in writing. Now here's where most people go wrong. They send vague invoices like "work completed" with no details. That creates confusion, delays, and excuses from clients. Let's take an example. Jake is an HVAC contractor. He finishes a job, but sends a simple text with a price. The client delays payment. Now compare that to Alex, who sends a clear invoice with job description, date, labor cost, materials, and payment link. Alex gets paid the same day. That difference is everything. Now step 1 is choosing the right tool. Most contractors in 2026 use software instead of manual invoices. Tools like Jobber or QuickBooks Online let you create and send invoices instantly. You don't need design skills or spreadsheets. Step 2 is building a clean invoice. Every invoice should include your business name, client details, job description, breakdown of costs, total amount, due date, and payment options. Keep it simple, but complete. But here's the problem. Even perfect invoices don't help if you send them late. The best contractors send invoices immediately after finishing the job. Not tomorrow. Not next week. Right away. Step 3 is making payment easy. This is where modern systems help a lot. Add online payment links, card options, or OCC transfers. When clients can click and pay instantly, delays disappear. Now here's where it gets interesting. Automated reminders can recover thousands in unpaid invoices. Instead of chasing clients manually, your system sends polite reminders every few days. It removes awkward conversations and keeps cash flow steady. Step 4 is tracking everything. Don't rely on memory. Keep records of paid and unpaid invoices so you always know your financial position. This helps you avoid cash flow surprises. In a minute, here's the simple mindset shift that changes everything. Invoicing is not admin work. It is part of your service. The faster and clearer your invoicing process is, the more professional your business looks. To wrap it up, sending invoices as a contractor in 2026 is all about speed, clarity, and automation. Use proper tools. Send invoices immediately. Make payment easy, and always track your income. If you want fewer payment delays and a smoother business, start fixing your invoicing system today. If this helped, like the video, drop a comment with your current invoicing method, and subscribe for more contractor business tips.